In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Zoho CRM by walking you through the entire sign-up process. Zoho CRM is a comprehensive customer relationship management tool designed to help businesses manage their contacts, sales, and operations more efficiently. So, let's dive right in and set up your account. First things first, open Google Chrome on your computer and head over to the website, which is www.zoho.com/crm/. It might take a moment to load, but once you're there, you'll see the homepage greet you with a wealth of information about what Zoho CRM can offer. But we're here to start your journey, so look for the Sign Up for Free button and give it a click. After clicking the button, it's time to enter your personal details. You'll need to type in your email address and create a strong, unique password that you'll remember. Your email address will be your primary login ID, so make sure it's one you use regularly. As for your password, try to include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for enhanced security. Once you're done, submit this information to proceed. Next comes an important step, verifying your email address. Zoho will send a confirmation link to the email you provided during sign-up. Open your email inbox, find the message from Zoho, and click on the confirmation link included in the email. This step is crucial, as it ensures the email account is valid and helps keep your Zoho account secure. If you don't see it in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folders, as sometimes important emails can end up there by mistake. With your email verified, Zoho will guide you through setting up your profile. Here, you'll need to input some basic company and user details. This includes the name of your company, its size, and a few other details that will help customize your CRM experience. Zoho makes this process straightforward by providing prompts to ensure you haven't missed anything. So just follow along and enter the necessary information. Upon completing your profile setup, it's time to explore the powerful tools at your disposal. You'll now have access to the Zoho CRM dashboard. This dashboard will be your command center for managing customer relations moving forward. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with its layout, explore the various features it offers, and maybe even customize your dashboard to suit your preferences. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your Zoho CRM account. From here, you can start adding your contacts, incorporating your sales data, and exploring the numerous integrations that Zoho offers to streamline your business operations. Remember, the more you explore, the more value you'll get from this powerful CRM tool. So get started today, tweak it to fit your business model, and watch how Zoho CRM can enhance your productivity and customer engagement.